Welcome back. Time now for the business day. The Caribbean Development Bank, CDB, will be launching 3 new products to boost the private sector. Details were outlined at the bank's annual press conference in Barbados. Andrea Chisholm was in attendance.
New ideas, new ways of doing business. Innovation is therefore a buzzword for Daniel Best, president of the Caribbean Development Bank, CDB.
We must innovate our bank's financing solutions. Ladies and gentlemen, we will dedicate efforts to collaborating with other partners, creating new and innovative financial products that enable us to mobilize resources at scale for those in need. This has already begun in earnest, and we hope to launch at least 3 new products this year dedicated to accelerating the just green transition and support de-risking in the private sector.
Part of the strategy to unlock excess liquidity in the banking sector.
Providing one guarantee scheme, and I'm speaking here about the trade facilitation program, which would provide cover to commercial banks to lend more to the private sector.
Secondly, the CDB will roll out a partial credit guarantee scheme of around 50%. An e-mobility fund will also come on stream.
Well, a fund that would be intervened through domestic financing institutions where public and private sector vehicle owners can draw on this fund for conversion of their vehicles to e-hybrid type vehicles.
In the meantime, the CDB will continue to support projects to address food security. Education remains a priority, and the focus is on improving economies so that people can earn a decent living. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.
Foreign currency trading ended today with banks in Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $157.56. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $109.83. The pound is going for $205.95, while the euro is selling for an average $170.49. Now, the JSE index declined by 2,186 points, while the junior market index traded firm. Caribbean Cream led the 38 winners today, followed by Paramount Trading, ISP Finance Services, Panjam Group, and Key Insurance. 53 shares declined, including Productive Business Solutions, US dollar shares, MFS Capital Partners, General Accident, 138 Student Living Variable Preference shares, and Consolidated Bakeries. 18 stocks traded firm. And that's the business day. I'm Anthony Logue. News from overseas after the break.